Hey everyone. Every morning I do a scan on the market to find new trades and potential plays for the week, for the day, whatever. And so I decided to just record today and share my process. I trade trend in crypto, so I want to be in positions on large trends, right? And to find large trends, there's a few criteria that I want to see. My trading is it's fully systemized, so all decisions are made prior. All rules are mechanical, so I know exactly where to enter, exactly where to exit, position sizes, and everything. But I still manually trade that system because it's easier for me to manage, and a weekly system is not that doesn't take me that much time to manage, right? So I trade on weekly bars. I want to see large breakouts of trends, and yeah, that's basically what I do. These are the positions that I currently have in my portfolio. So I have Spell. I entered around 0.009. I have Ohm. I have XMR. I have VET. I have IPE. Hyperliquid is a decentralized exchange, so I'm holding all of the, if you haven't heard about Hyperliquid, yeah, it's a decentralized exchange built on its own L1, and it's just a play that I have. I have a large position here compared to all the others, probably in the magnitude of 10 times the position I usually hold right now, which is a lot to me. But I have a lot of conviction in this project. There's a lot of things going on for that team, for the product that they have built. I trade there myself. So yeah, this is. I just wanted to explain this is a separate position, but I still count it as a trading position. I have XRP. I've entered XRP at around 2.73. I have BTC. BTC I entered at the highs right now. I have Sol that I've entered around $223. I have Ray that I've entered around 5.95. I have HBAR that I've entered around 0.34. I have Link, I have LDO, and I have Algo right now. And yeah, now I'm searching for new positions. The market has been kind of, at least the crypto market has been kind of stale these past few weeks. Let me see if I can take these buttons away so that it is not by cell buttons exactly. Yeah, apply to. Okay, I still like to see candles. Yeah, candles. Okay, so this is total three is the total cryptocurrency market cap, except for BTC and ETH. So basically gives you a perspective of how the altcoin market has been performing. Right now, we are in this weird range since early December. It has been quite hard to trade momentum here because price goes back and forth between these ranges, similar to what we had in March 2024, but then that lasted for the entire remaining of the year, more or less to Q4. And so when these periods happen, like these periods here of consolidation, let's call it, you don't even have trends down. So it's really hard to play as a momentum trader, but you need patience, right? You can't just, yeah, you can't expect to be making money every month or every year. For example, during this period, from late 2023 to Q1 2024, we made tons of returns in this leg, right? Because that's what the market was providing, a bunch of opportunities here. And you have to take the opportunities as they come. Um, and yeah, in terms of today, there's a bunch of coins moving. I like to see big trends, big breakouts of trends. I like to look at the weekly for that. So for example, if we were playing this back in November, I would like to see this breakout here above all, above moving above previous highs or previous highs, just breakouts. Most trend followers are systematized. How can I say it? Fully automated trend followers wait for the position to close above a certain breakout. I have that particularity about how I trade. I don't wait for that to close. I buy directly on the breakout. Okay, it's not big difference. It doesn't make a huge difference, but I prefer it that way. So the next thing that I do is to check all of the runners for the day and see if there's positions to be taken or if no. So you can see that SQL is below moving averages, which means that the trend is not that strong. I want to see it above. I want to see it near all-time highs, like trending up here. Like for example, I would prefer to see it like trending, up here and then go up, and we buy here the breakout and stuff like that. That's how I prefer to look at good trades. You can see everything is pretty much going down. Peep, Pep, I know I want to see a breakout over here eventually, just to take a position. So I just lay an alert. DGen, you have OG, CH. I want to see everything that is up at least 5% on the day. You can see that Bonk, I already put an alert there. So that's okay. Everything is going down and down. We don't want to be taking positions in this type of move, right? Unless you are doing some mean reversion or buying the dip, whatever strategy. That's not my style. I buy strength and I focus on the strongest of coins. So this is an example that could have a breakout over here, right? Over this high from November, but I don't like it because you can see that it is a stock, a crypto that has been, every time it goes up, it goes down, every time it goes up, goes down, like just very shaky. And there is no trend here. The major breakout that I want to see is this one. That's the major breakout that calls the attention of everyone. Another breakout here. There's so many false breakouts that my assumption is that people are tired of these breakouts, and every time that a breakout happens, they don't care anymore, or at least they don't care as they should. This crypto may be sold into, because you can see that every time it moves, it goes down. So maybe there's someone insiders selling, or whatever. And yeah, I just don't like this type of action. I want to see clean trends. Let me show you a clean trend. This is a clean trend on Solana. I traded it back from 2023. I remember when entering it at 25. It's all documented on my Twitter. Then you have a bunch of breakouts along the way. I bought it here as well on 166. I rode it to about 200 and somethings. This is a trend, strong. This is another trend, strong. Tron, another trend, strong trend. These are the type of actions that I want to see. I don't want to see stuff consolidating in just going down all the time. Don't get me wrong, sometimes those can run, but they are, to me, less probability. We want something that everyone is looking for. For example, we have GTO. GTO is a new coin. It is above all the metrics that I want. It has this initial leg up, came down. Now it could have another leg up. And so I'm waiting for this to break there. Then I go to the monthly. I want to see what have been the strongest performance for the past month. I'm already on spell, like I said, around 0.0009. So this is one of it is the best gainer that I've on my portfolio right now. I'm also an XRP, so those are taken care of. Jupe might be a good opportunity up here when it breaks out again. Leg up, come down, and as a meaningful breakout above almost like late 2024 highs, and a little bit more it breaks all-time highs. So those are the places I want to see. Everybody's paying attention to those type of moves in assets. L and so let's I'll put an alert there just to check, but I wouldn't necessarily buy there. So SQL XLM, right? XLM is another one good example. Even back in 2020, it had one large move. You know, yes, you don't want to be buying up down here, like we said, because who cares about this move buying here? It's not meaningful. Not it. You want attention, right? And you want trends. So when it had this initial leg up, this caught a lot of attention of people, right? Everybody was talking about it, and now I'm looking for a re-entry above here when it starts to break out. Now, don't forget that I'm looking at weekly time frames. This becomes much higher of importance, these breakouts, because they are so long term. You have link chain, chain link. Sorry. Also another leg up. Everybody knows link goes up. I'm also looking for that. H bar. I'm also looking at up there. XMR. I'm already in. So this is a one that I'm already in. Do you see? This is another one. Look, this is a good trend that it had in 2021. So this is another one that is very choppy. I wouldn't be buying stuff here down here. From my data, these are really low probability. No one cares. No one is looking at them. Like, okay, it breaks out here once, it breaks out here twice, 3 times, 4 times. Like, people lose interest. It doesn't do anything, right? And so you want to be buying stuff that is really up. So when it broke above all of the highs here and above the January 2023 highs for the first time, this catches attention. So I took a position there. Marble, ADA, LTC. LTC is another good one that I already have. An alert again. Broke above 2023 highs, waiting for another leg up. ADA very important. ADA above here 1.16. I'll be putting a position. Nexo, pretty interesting one. I actually might take a position right now. Let me see its market cap. I don't have a USDC pair because I do. No, I don't even have futures. No, that's a bad. No, that's bad because let me explain. Because of the MiCA European regulation, I cannot take positions. I cannot trade USDT denominated pairs. Only pairs that have been stable coins that have been approved, like USDC. And so this pair doesn't have a USDC. If it had on another exchange, I would look for it, but it doesn't. I'll check Hyperliquid. Next. No. Sadly, it doesn't. Okay, so I cannot trade this, unfortunately, but it's the same type of idea, right? It gets a move down, move leg up, and then we want another leg up. This is actually a good one. Damn. Yeah, I cannot trade this. Anyways, we have BTC. I'm already in BTC from the highs right now, suffering a little bit of a loss, but that's trend following. Some breakouts will fail or at least temporarily revert. That's fine. It's not doesn't mean you are doing anything wrong. It just means that this position didn't work out. LDO, I'm already in LDO, but once it breaks above this, it already at this leg up and now consolidation. And if it breaks above 249, that will be a good indication. LDO is not the most, how can I say, impressive trade because, like I said, these zigzags here, I don't like them very much, but it had a lot of volume, another leg up, and probably another leg up here. But yes, it's not the most to me. But yeah, basically that. It could have been better positioning. The next thing I will do is go to the 3 month performance and see what's happening there. So we have Move. Move has been a high performance for the. It doesn't necessarily mean that it has been high performance. So it opened on. It was listed on Binance on this date, and so this makes it like seem like it went above. Sorry, make it seem like it went like 4,000% up, right? But doesn't necessarily just means that it was listed here. And but still a good a move if it moves above 120. Usual, I don't see anything here. So no, the H bar we already seen it. ME, XLM, Sparrow, Algo, CRV. You see, these are all stuff that broke above like 2023 highs, had one leg up, and I'm looking for another leg up. DF, IOTA. IOTA, I'm also looking here. Yeah, if it breaks here, another leg up, strong move up. And I just set the alerts on TradingView and let it, once they get close to my alerts, I'll take positions. I'll look for positions, but I just lay out the alerts. So we have Zen here. Go. XVG, STP, RSR. So it's another good one. A leg up and went down, then another leg up. Maybe if it breaks out again, it can go. To get VETA already, I'm already in this position. So link and NMS TGB sushi audio. Yeah, and this is basically just every day make a scan, keep adding new strong performance to my alerts, and wait for them to trigger. That's basically it. Trading is like being it's like fishing almost. You have to be patient, and you have to be always looking for opportunity and changing the places where you look at opportunity. And sometimes you'll pay, other times you won't. But it's a very patience game. It's not like going in on leverage on the dips and try and stress and emotion. No, just coming every day, executing the same position, the same plan that you did the previous day for research and work that you've already done. So everything that I'm showing you is stuff that I've researched and that I know works. And for the past 2 years that I've been trading publicly, and I have my performance public as well, so I know that works. And my job is just to wait for the good opportunities and to not force positions that are not there. Um, and that's basically it. Once we have a market that is conducive to trend and to momentum, You will be there. I haven't missed the market or the best trades for the past 2 years because I'm always here. And I set my alerts, and it's basically that we don't want to be missing this. Jasmine Bell. Yeah, so most of the bigger performance are now scanned, and we wait for those alerts now and let our positions right. That's basically it.